First things first, Theresa, can you tell us what's the most popular patty at your restaurant?
At the moment, jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Followed by curried goat.
Curried goat?
Yes.
I've never tried curried goat. Did you enjoy that one as well?
Yes, I do. And it's genuine goat because normally sometimes people serve lamb as goat, but not in JPC. We've got real goat.
Okay, okay, good to know. And where else is good? Where else would you advise us if we wanted a kind of authentic Caribbean food?
Well, as the Mango Room in Kentish Town, right. That's a good one, and that's got 3 dining areas. So whatever you want, choose the mood of the rooms you want to choose, and they've got good menu, full on Jamaica jerk, etc. Good rum menu as well, because rum punch always go down good with the Jamaican cuisine.
Oh, is that essential? You know, if you want to be a really authentic Jamaican restaurant, you've got to have the good food. You've got to have the jerk chicken that we discussed earlier on in the show, and of course, good rum.
Yeah. And then we got also Healthy Eaters in Electric Avenue, and that's at sort of a daytime grab-and-you-go place.
And that's in Brixton, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I've actually been past there.
Yeah.
I'll need to go. What should I go and buy when I go to Healthy Eaters?
Well, go and get some Jamaican ackee and saltfish, you know, and they do deliveries as well. Deliveries lunchtime and bikes, so that's a nice, you know, reasonable price place to go and have.
And so for non-Jamaicans or people who've never eaten Jamaican food, could you describe for us maybe what's in chicken, rice and peas, for instance?
Well, what's in chicken, rice and peas? Chicken is normally seasoned with Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme, and the rice and peas is normally done with coconut milk, again thyme, with Scotch bonnet and a bit of scallion. And good quality rice, always finish the product nice.
So they're not real peas, so they're not actually peas?
The peas are sort of, you could get red beans or gungo peas. They're real beans, but we call them peas, but they're actually beans.
Okay, good. Yeah, because I think by asking what's in chicken, rice and peas, probably people are going, Mark, I think probably chicken, rice and peas, rather obviously. Although, as you say, it's not, you can get red beans as well.
Yeah.
And also, if you wanted to be, you know, you go into a Jamaican restaurant or a Caribbean restaurant, you don't want to look foolish, what would be the main thing that you should order when you go in?
I always think jerk chicken. I'm saying this because jerk chicken is so Jamaican and it's so tasty, and it's one of our best exports, I'm afraid. Jerk chicken, I always feel, is the best, especially for a newcomer.
That's going to be the thing that will
that'll get them hooked.
Jerk chicken and a nice glass, a nice rum punch of some sort.